Today, we will observe A+ masterclass level setups, talk about how to find specific trade entries. Of course, we will keep using our best indicator with our best momentum-based scalping strategy. There are so many subjects to discuss today. If you are ready, shall we begin? It is obvious that we are in the really choppy market days. Markets rally for one day and keep crashing for the next day. This is mostly confusing for a lot of people. But rallies and crashes are actually great for momentum scalpers. As this example of Solana. Solana was in a multi-day rally for a while, since it dropped to the $120, but now pushing back to the $150 again. In this particular momentum-based scalping setup, after the quick rally, it was pulling back into this nice trade area. It consisted of 30 minute, 45 minutes, 1 and 2 hour imbalances at the same time. The moment you see this, you must set an alarm on this price level, because this could be the ignition point of the next rally coming up. It is also the 30-minute balance price range location. Remember, BPR is actually a more powerful version of regular imbalances. It actually makes the trade area stronger. Now let us observe this specific area in the lower time frames and talk further. Okay, now this is the point of the multi-level imbalance zone, a possible location of the next rally coming up. When you look at this carefully, this also looks like a triangle. Upside liquidity gathering, and downside liquidity is already swept. And the price is in our multi-level imbalance location. Now the question is, how to trade this? Actually, the rest is not very complicated. You can notice the clear market structure break here, and small pullback into the imbalance. This should give you around 2 hour setup here. But remember, after market structure breaks, price may not pull back. Sometimes it just flies away directly. Keep this in mind. Now we have more important matters to discuss here. First of all, let's zoom out a bit and see the big perspective in this trade. When you look at this, and if you have your institutional level indicator, you can clearly see price tries to hunt previous day high. If you have completed my masterclass, you will know that this is a A++ setup. I want to talk about this pattern in detail. What really happened? Let us discuss one more time. We know that we have a clear institutional level above the previous day high. First leg of this movement is generally a giant price drop, then followed by a long accumulation. Last stage is the rally. What matters for us is the rally stages. Because as we momentum traders, we want to trade rallies or crashes. This is why we look at top losers or gainers from all markets at once. In the rally, what I look for is multi-level imbalance taps. This is the important stage because this is how I find entry areas. As an extra step, if I see support and resistance flip, it would give me an extra confluence. The rest of the action is actually smart money scalping with simple price action entries. This is an A++ masterclass level setup for me. I have to admit, this beautiful setup may not happen every single day. But once it happens, once you see this exact setup, it has a high chance of working really well. Okay folks, this is it. Very lovely video. Please take care of yourself and see you in the next video. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you can find the links on my website on the descriptions. Take care, friends, manage your risks,